This is the most authentic wildlife. In order to survive in the dangerous forest, the man successfully exploits the surrounding resources. We built a suspended shelter in the trees. He's only lived here for a day. I met a black bear and a wolf who came to the door. A perfect illustration of how dangerous the wild can be. As a ceiling for survival in the wild, the old horse already owns multiple properties in the wild. Whether it's a shelter built next to a bear's den, or the home of ancient trees hidden deep in tree holes, attracted millions of people. But due to the poisoning of nearby beasts, fear of their lives being threatened, helpless, he can only start again. Decided to build a safer home. The two big trees in front of you are very good. The height of tens of meters makes him feel safe. It must be very comfortable to transform into a shelter. And then he had an idea, and he went to chop the dead wood. So you build yourself a ladder. It is convenient to punch holes in the trunk. There are often large beasts in the primeval forest. Therefore, the old horse decided to build his home in the air, and what he's doing here is very ingenious. You just have to drill holes in the wood and insert wooden nails to connect. In this way, when the excess part is sawed off, the new foundation will have a force point, and it's sturdy enough to hold his 100 kilograms weight. After testing the effects, he continued to use the same method. Make a triangular frame like this. Then continue to lay the sticks on top. A prototype of a sanctuary appeared. This size is more than enough for one person to live in. Satisfied, he immediately found more logs. Start building walls for the shelter. These woods are inherently anti-bone. None of them are straight. But it also saved him a lot of time in laying the season. The old horse built the four sides without much effort. After solving the housing problem, he went to chop some planks and collect flat stones. Prepare to make a fireplace in the reserved space. The quality of this batch of soil is not very good. Therefore, the old horse also added a lot of dry grass. After adding water and mixing it together, it will not crack easily when it dries later. And you don't have to worry about the splashing Mars Yakagawa tomb. The rest of the roof is relatively simple to make. After all, I don't sleep on it. Just place the collar at the top. Lay a layer of tarp even if it is formed. And to make the stairs less conspicuous, the old horse also decided to make a wheel. It is convenient to store it when not in use. The process is simpler. After it is done, the old horse immediately tests the effect. You can see it's turning very silky. Now all he has to do is tie the ends of the rope. Fix the other end and connect the pulley to achieve easy storage. The idea of this construction is very clear. After the old horse finally installs the gate, take out the carried kun meat. Prepare to treat yourself to a delicious meal. While waiting, he also had a dream. Dreaming of a war breaking out in the surrounding villages. On the way to escape, he also picked up the Dagon cave that was only lost by the roadside. I'm a dirty old steel. Do you think this is nonsense? And I didn't expect to wait until I woke up. There is really a Dagon-kun by my side. I can only say that the program team really has a heart. As the night wears on, the forest is also filled with the howling of many beasts. The frightened old horse also immediately hid in the shelter. Then quickly tighten the stairs. But the bear is still persistent. They're even pushing trees. Helpless, he can only sacrifice the hard-earned great merits. Finally succeeded in quelling the bear's purpose. Although tonight is doomed to be hungry, but at least you don't have to worry about safety anymore. When tomorrow comes, he has to escape this hell as soon as possible.